In a lush forest, there lived a tortoise.
One day, the tortoise was resting under a tree.
He noticed a bird's nest and wondered.
Around the same time, the bird flew into its nest.
What a shabby home you have. It is made of broken twigs. My shell is far better.
I know it is simple, but I built it with hard work and I like it.
I guess it's like any other nest, but not better than mine.
On the contrary, my home has space for family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you.
I never thought of it that way.
Maybe you have a better house, but I have a better home.
The tortoise began to reflect on what true happiness means.
It's the togetherness that fills a home with love.
I think I understand now.
True happiness comes from sharing space and experiences with others.
It is more valuable than a luxurious place that serves only oneself.
Is the lesson of our story.